the dignitaries and all the honorable members present in the house. Today, I am standing in a position of uniform civil code because I think this is not imperative. I will set out two interconnected grounds for my stand. Firstly, mandatory versus voluntary, and secondly, the pluralism and the fundamental right which is guaranteed by the Constitution. If I talk about the mandatory versus voluntary, in Constituent Assembly, B.R. Ambedkar does not seize Uniform Civil Code as mandatory. He wants this to be voluntary. And in present era, we already have acts like Special Marriage Act, Indian Succession Act, and Juvenile Justice Act. Anybody who does not want to be governed by these personal laws can go forward and voluntarily can be governed by these laws. And this is what B.R. Ambedkar wants. He wants a non-religious secular law, which is already present. If I talk about my second point, that is the Law Commission which was formed under the guidance, under the order of the Honorable Prime Minister in 2018. What was the result of that? B.S. Chauhan, who is the former Chief Justice of India, he was governing the commission, and after a very keen observation and public reviews, he gave the statement that neither the Uniform Civil Code is necessary nor it is desirable. Now, if I talk about pluralism and the fundamental right, pluralism is the basis of this country. In our country, people adhering to all the religion are here. This is not a country like that of Europe or that of Middle East. We have Article 14, we have Article 25, 26, 29, beside Article 14, 15, 19 and 21, which guarantees us and says to us that we can profess, we can follow, we can propagate our religion. So anybody who is following to his or her religion, how can we go forward and snatch the right given to them by the Constitution of India? This would not be fair to ask people to follow a single rule. What about those tribal communities who are mentioned under the Constitution? How we are going to ask them to follow those rules which we follow here? How can we ask those tribal people living in those mountains and the forest to follow the rules which we follow in our cities? This would not be fair to them. I think that we have whatever laws we have, whatever laws we need, we already have them. As the Abdul Ghaffar Nurani said that India is a mosaic. Along with following our religion, we are also having the laws through which we can be governed if we don't want to be governed by our religious laws. I am in a strong opposition of Uniform Civil Code, and this is to rectify and bring revolution in those personal laws rather than the Uniform Civil Code. Thank you very much.